See the celery? Put it all the way inside and it turns into juice. Celery is really, really good for our immunity and cleansing. Carrot yummy? Can I have another carrot? Thank you, Edie.
A bit more.
A bit more? Okay, we'll give you some more. Oh, and now look at the orange. Look at the orange juice. See the juice comes out of the carrots? See how this is green? Well, now I'm going to put some orange juice in it and let's see what colour it turns. Look, Bubba. Green? And let's put some orange into it and see what it turns into. Still kind of green, isn't it? Okay. What do we got here? Fennel. This is really, really good for vitamin C and heart health. And it makes it taste yum in my mind. What have we got here? Some lemon. Put some lemon in because it makes it taste delicious. Have the lemon if you want. Is that yummy? Good. Now what we might do is put some more ginger in here. And then maybe we'll put some of this mint in, hey? Is mint good for us?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another anti-inflammatory.
I don't love carrots.
Sorry? What did you say?
I want carrots.
Carrot? Right here.
Thanks.
Pleasure.
Oh, that's
And that's it.